So the squeeze is not there yet. There's almost 30 million shares have to be covered from the short sellers, and we're not clear yet. And we talked about in the last video, we predicted the price to have a massive trigger around the $3.23, and that's what happened today. We did the video yesterday, and boom, today we have the jump around the $3.23, and again we have a massive test around this area, around this line of exponential average. That's why we saw a bit of turbulence around the 1 hour chart. You see, we have some turbulence, and that's why the price go down. Let's go here, short stocks and dividend payment. If an investor is short a stock on the record date, okay, they are not entitled to the dividends. In fact, the investor is instead responsible for paying the dividends owed to the lender of the shorted stock that they borrowed. So this is how the squeeze will happen, because this is imminent, you know, because what we want to confirm to have the squeeze is holding above this line of support. And what happened today, we have a bit of resistance if you trade it today, because it was a crazy day. And if we just do this again, and we saw what happened when we tested this level, okay, we have a wick here around the almost 1 2 3 4, yeah, at the 13th of January, okay, we tested, we went down, then today we broke from the $3.83. What we said yesterday, we need to close above it. Today we close, we have a bit of turbulence, the price went down a bit. However, we confirm that we hold the support around the $3.83. Right now is around the $4.13 and is still fighting around this area. And again, the price where will be tested next time will be tested in this next box between the $5 and the 4.79. Here we're gonna see the squeeze. Here, actually, the right squeeze, where the short seller will have to cover almost 30 million of share around this area, and this is where they have to give it up. Here, my hypothesis, my strategy, that the squeeze will happen around the $5 and the $4.79, and kind of psychological level, if you want to ask me, because everybody wants to see Bbig to go to the 10 mark and the 20 mark. Okay, the first half of the price of 10 is 5. So here, kind of psychological level as well, really important level to overcome this level. We talked about even our Discord here, Lakram Investing, or we have almost 10,000 members. We have alerts every time, and as well we talked about here on Patreon. We do always live alert, pre-market hunting for Bbig and crypto and everything. So join us in the link comment section below. So as I said, Bbig is still holding while all the market is down. Look how red it is. We have Tesla, we have GameStop, we have AMC is down. Look, AMC below the 20 mark is around the 1996. We have an important level that we're gonna see a massive reversal for AMC. We're gonna talk about in our live streaming after this video, so join us. Okay, after 1 hour from now, we're gonna do live streaming where we hunt for exact price value for the next week. So without further ado, again, always be patient. That's why we hunted for the price for Bbig almost 2 weeks ago, before the price actually jumped. And what we said for Bbig, this is the last box around the the $2.16. We talked about it around this area. We talked about it even around the 5th of January, beginning of this year. Okay, even I have meeting one-on-one with one of my members have a big position of Bbig, and he bought around almost the 10, and he thinking about selling, and I told him just load up around the $2.16. It was a really good decision, because as I said, this is the last bottom, and it was around the $2.16, and boom, we bumped. Okay, so if you have a suggestion or you have a question about your portfolio, if you have a lot of stock is weighting you down, just let me know on Patreon. Join us, have a meeting with me, and we can discuss this. So without further ado, press the like button and see you in the live streaming.